Hey everyone, let's dive right into this quick tutorial on how to see all the answers in a Google form. First, open your Google form. Once it's loaded, right-click anywhere on the page. From the menu, choose View Page Source. Boom, a bunch of code pops up. Don't worry, it's easier than it looks. Now, go back to your form and copy the exact question you want to find answers for. Just highlight and copy the question text. Switch to the Page Source tab, press Ctrl F to open the search bar, paste your question in there, and hit Enter. You'll see your question highlighted right away. Scroll down just a bit, look for the answers listed below it. Search for the ones that start with the code, it's a long number. Those are the real correct answers. And that's it. You've got all the answers in seconds. Super simple, right? Like if this helped, subscribe for more tech tricks, and I'll see you in the next one.